Ever wanted to spice up your life without actually breathing fire like dragon? Well, I tried Bella Stuff cayenne pepper drops, and let me tell you, my taste buds and I went on a little adventure. Stick around because by the end you'll know if these drops are your new secret weapon or just an expensive way to sweat in public. So what are these drops? Basically, it's cayenne pepper in a tiny convenient drop form, promising to boost metabolism, curb appetite, and give your energy levels a little nudge. Sounds like a miracle in a bottle, right? I was skeptical too until I tried it for a week. Here's the deal, I took a few drops in my morning tea and yes, it's a punch. Not call 911 spicy, but enough to wake up your senses. Energy wise, I did feel a subtle kick like my body finally remembered it had to move. Appetite control. I won't lie, it helped me skip that second snack, but fair warning, it's not a magic lose 5 pounds overnight potion. It works if you combine it with normal healthy habits. I even tried adding it to smoothies. Pro tip, mix well unless you like tiny spicy surprises in your sip. Compared to other metabolism boosters I've tried, think powders, shakes, fancy teas, these drops are convenient, small, and travel friendly. You don't need a blender or a special recipe. And price-wise, not breaking the bank, considering it lasts a few weeks if used responsibly, so it's kind of like the Swiss Army knife of small energy and appetite boosters. Bottom line, if you want a little metabolic nudge, some appetite control, and don't mind a tiny kick of spice in your life, Vela Stuff cayenne pepper drops are worth a try. Just don't expect a miracle, unless your miracle is feeling awake and a bit fiery. Try it, enjoy it, or laugh at my spicy adventures. Either way, your metabolism might thank you. And that's it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.